Caitlin, can you get a go? All right.
That was great.
Go again. Caitlin, can you categorically tell the internet that you're doing this of your own free will?
Yes, I am doing it of my own free will. I want to see what happens.
Hey guys, I'm back with another video, and I have my gorgeous, lovely sister with me today. And we thought, for fun, I asked her what she wanted to do with her hair, and she said she wanted to see it straight. So, that's what we're going to be doing today. She hasn't straightened her hair in over a year. First off,
It's gonna look weird.
it's going to look really weird. And we're going to check her length, see how much her hair has grown, and see how much healthier her hair has gotten. So far, all we've done is co-wash your hair with the Giovanni Tea Tree Triple Treat Conditioner. And I have put a copious amount of the InnerSense Organic Beauty leave-in in. That has some protein in it. It's very hydrating. But anyway, here we go. I'm going to start blow drying her hair. So Caitlin, how have you been enjoying doing the curly girl method so far?
It makes life so much easier.
Wait, what?
It makes life easier.
Speak loudly into the microphone. There are so many people who think that doing the curly girl method actually makes their life so much harder. And you're saying it's actually made your life easier?
One, I don't have to wash my hair every other day. I can go about 3 days without washing it, maybe 4. And then when I wake up, I just like fluff it, which takes like 1 minute instead of like 30 minutes to do my hair in the morning, and then I'm ready to go.
Really?
I can get like 30 extra minutes of sleep just because I'm doing the curly method.
Caitlin, that is epic.
Like,
so it has
used
actually
to.
made your life easier because
Yeah.
you don't necessarily shoot for perfect curls. You're
Mhm.
just kind of shooting for
Good enough.
minimal effort, maximum curl. Yeah?
Exactly.
Okay. So I'm going, and I know, I brushed out her hair with a round brush. This has very bendy bristles. It actually kind of reminds me of the wet brush a little bit. So don't worry. We're minimizing damage everywhere we can.
Mm-hmm.
Taking just a little more water out of her hair with the Perfect Hair Care towel.
It's pretty awesome.
Did you get one for Christmas?
I did. Some nice little elf left me one.
Nice. Yeah, these towels are so cool. They soak up so much water. It blows my mind. And they
It's so much better than a t-shirt.
Yeah. Like,
Crazy.
I thought t-shirts were the end-all be-all. No, this is epic.
Mm-hmm.
You know what else I need? I need some sort of clip to hold your hair up. Hold on.
Oh, yeah. Found it.
Found it. I've just got to say, too, your hair is so much healthier than it has ever been. Like, I've known you my whole life.
Yep.
And never has your hair been so tangle-free and frizz-free.
I haven't gotten this cut since May.
What?
And she examined it and said I don't have split ends.
I'm
Well,
not seeing
many.
any. I'm not seeing just copious amounts of split ends. So
Used to if I went that long without getting my hair cut.
no, it'd be horrible.
Oh, yeah. I would have gotten it cut before now, basically.
Yeah. Okay. There's only a little bit of hair here, people. She has 2 heads of hair. She has enough hair for 2 people. I swear. Like, that's the size of my ponytail. Right there. What the heck? There. Alright. So, now we're just going to start blow drying. And it's going to get noisy. So, I'm sorry. 10 years later,
Yeah.
we've got it dry. Now we're gonna run through it with the flat iron. Here we go.
It's so poofy.
I think I'm going to put some of the rose hair elixir in there. It tames frizz, adds shine, and it also contains jojoba oil, which is a natural heat protectant. We're not using any other kinds of heat protectant. I know that's terrible, but we're not, because they all contain silicones. So we're gonna use this.
Much better. Ah, it's a little dropper. That's cool.
Okay, flip your head upside down for me. There we go. Now I can make sure to get this on the ends.
Hey, it smells good.
It smells like roses. I am just gently working this through with my fingers.
I can't believe how big my hair got.
It is so big. Okay, flip back up. Volume is not your problem, is it?
Nope.
You know what? I'm also gonna get a regular brush.
Okay.
BRB.
BRB.
Be right back.
Oh. Learn something new every day. Oh, it does feel good.
Does that feel better?
Yeah.
That oil helps a lot. There we go. Make sure everything is fairly evenly distributed. And her hair is wanting to curl so bad. It's like mad at me for making it straight.
Yeah.
Your curl memory is in full force.
I know I've had friends who've had curly hair and they'll get their hair straight every once in a while and then it can go back to be curly and curly again.
Bounces right back.
Yeah.
Especially when you've been doing everything that you've been doing, taking the time and investment to really care for your hair, like investing in the products and the time it does take to like wash. Because when you co-wash, it does take a little bit longer than back when you were using like foamy shampoos, right?
Yeah, but I mean, once you get in a rhythm, it goes faster.
Once you get used to the new routine,
yeah,
it's not so bad.
That and shoot, it saves time in the long run because I don't have to shower every other day.
That's true.
If you think about it.
That's true. Your hair,
and I don't have to blow dry it.
That's
like the biggest thing.
Blow drying her hair took forever.
Yeah, like 30 minutes.
She doesn't diffuse either. She just air dries her hair every time you wash your hair, right?
Yes, it's beautiful.
That's amazing.
On the rare occasion, if it's still not dry by the morning,
you diffuse
and it's
it
cold,
a little bit,
then yeah, I warm up my head by diffusing it. So
that's awesome. Okay, there we go. We're gonna see if I have what it takes to get this hair flat ironed.
Hopefully.
Ready? And look!
Wow. It's cool. It's been so long since my hair's been this straight. So much volume up top too.
That's crazy. And you used to have those little
horns that would like stick out like right here. No, literally.
And you
we
don't
have pictures of it.
You don't have that anymore. Like all of those pieces are so
and I'm not
long.
noticing like frizz. You know how I used to when I get my hair blow dried or straightened? I'd have like a little halo of frizz.
You would, of angry frizz.
Of like
and your
tiny little pieces that stuck straight up.
And you don't, like you have one or two, but they're not all over. Stand up and show the people. There we go.
Dang, how long is it?
It's touching your belt.
So cool. Goals in life.
Hashtag goals. Level unlocked.
Yeah. Have you seen those memes about like Disney princess hairs? What they look like versus reality? I have really long hair.
It is so stinking shiny and happy and healthy. And that's because of the curly girl method.
Yep.
Golly.
It's been an hour and a half.
Wait, it only took us an hour and a half to do that whole process? Was it worth it?
For a day, it was fun.
A fun change. But not an everyday thing. How do you feel about yourself with straight hair versus yourself with curly hair? Because this used to be the goal. Like, straight hair used to be life, right?
Yeah.
And now how do you feel? Like, taking a good long look at yourself.
I really like having my hair curly. I think it's simpler. And feels cliche. Feels more me though.
I was
to have it
curly.
curly. One thing it's super easy and it's what my hair does naturally. So
and it's more you.
Like
this doesn't even look like you. You look like a different person. You don't look like Caitlin anymore.
Yeah. So I like being curly because shoot, used to even when I was little, when I let my hair air dry, it'd always be wavy. So I kind of like having it wavy, and it's what it does naturally. So it's much easier.
Easier to maintain. Your hair's healthier when you've been wearing it curly, and this was just for fun.
It is fun, but only like once in a blue moon. Really, once in a blue moon.
Awesome. All right, guys. Thank y'all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and go ahead and subscribe and click that notification bell so that you'll be notified any other times I upload. You might even get to see this gorgeous gal on here again. And y'all should totally check out her previous 2 videos on this channel where I have done her hair. I mean,
so much fun.
She is hair goals. She just is. I love her hair. All right, guys. I hope y'all are having an absolutely fantastic day, and I will talk to y'all later. Bye.